Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps on how to export public groups from the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. If you've been wanting to back up your group chats or just keep a copy of your data, this is going to make the process super clear and simple. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three little horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them. This will open up the main menu where all of your key options are located. From there, head into the Settings section. Inside Settings, you'll see an option called Advanced. This is where Telegram keeps the tools for exporting and managing your account data. So, click on Advanced to move forward. Now, scroll all the way down until you come across the option that says Export Telegram Data. This is the feature we'll be using. When you select it, Telegram will give you several checkboxes to choose from. Since you only want to export public groups, make sure to check that box and leave the others unchecked. This way, Telegram knows to only prepare the data from your public group chats. Once you've chosen public groups, it's time to click on the Export button. Telegram will then start preparing your data. Depending on your activity and how many groups you're in, this might take a few moments. After the export process finishes, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it and you'll be able to view everything Telegram gathered for you. This is your exported copy, neatly organized and saved for you to check anytime you need. And that's it. You've successfully exported your public groups on Telegram using the new update for PC. Now you can keep a safe backup of your chats or review them outside of the app whenever necessary. If this guide helped, make sure to stay updated for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.